Tropical storm Boris formed in the eastern Pacific Tuesday afternoon. No immediate threat to the United States, but we're certainly keeping our eye on what will eventually become the remnants of Boris as it moves across the country of Mexico. Here's the satellite picture Tuesday afternoon. You can see there's not much time for strengthening here. It's very close to land, and it's going to crawl across the mountains Wednesday, Thursday, into early Friday. It's a minimal tropical storm, but it will pose a significant flash flooding and mudslide threat to these locations, and that threat for heavy rain will move into the southern Gulf as well. We already have disturbed weather near the Yucatan Peninsula. That's an upper level area of low pressure. So in my tropical outlook, there will be some heavy rain for the next several days in all the areas there shaded in green, and I'm going to give it a low chance. The Hurricane Center also saying a low chance in the areas circled there in yellow. Starting June 8th, we could see regeneration of the remnant low from Boris into something tropical. We're going to keep a close eye on that. Elsewhere, no tropical storm formation is expected in the Atlantic Basin. If something does form here on the Atlantic side, it would be called Arthur. The next storm in the 2014 season is Bertha, so we'll once again keep our eyes focused on the southern Gulf and the western Caribbean. And one of the reasons why we always watch those areas is because in June, typically, this is where storms like to form. These are the origin points dating back to 1969, and they're all focused in that general vicinity. Also, we keep a close eye on something spinning up here close to home in the western Atlantic. If something does form to our south, typically it's forced to the west from high pressure building in across the center part of the country, or it's pulled up because of cold fronts across the state of Florida. Thankfully, though, right now, high pressure's in charge, keeping us dry and calm. Great weather here in the Sunshine State. But on FUTURETRACK, notice that as we move from Thursday into Friday, some of that moisture starts to move in, and we'll see those afternoon thunderstorms resume here across the state of Florida. Stay tuned for future updates on Boris.